Come on. Say hi to camera. Now we are going to hike with Jojo's. I think so many people there, no?
Oh, dare you! You know I don't like hiking.
We just parked down there, look. Hey,
I don't even see our car anymore.
Yeah. Stay on the side. Stay on the side. There we go.
I remember this.
Remember this place.
I remember this place. You went there before, remember?
Yeah. Wait.
Ow.
It's okay.
It's metal. Do you think I look okay? It really hurts.
Is it alright?
It hurts a lot.
Wait here. Tartar.
This is the mountain. Seriously, this is actually like a mountain. And we'll
Walk here on the steps.
It's already tiring.
Oh man. Oh, tired now?
No. I'm very tired.
You have to come this side.
I can't believe we are this.
Ooh. Look at this.
So over here, we've been here before. It's just a nice little empty space. And then we come up here.
Oh yeah, look at the other side, look. We're going there later on, yeah?
Yep. So if you come over here,
We're on the top of the QARRY Hills.
we're not.
Guys, look at this view. And look, my little vlogger.
It's bigger. Oh.
She's very talkative. Non-stop talking.
I'm not ready. Okay.
She's my assistant. Ooh.
Okay, so this is like the thing. There's like a hole. It used to be something I forgot.
Come on, little vlogger. We're gonna read this.
Okay, so this is called the Croft Hill.
Here we go.
It's very dirty. I can't really read it that much. It's really dirty. It is. So it was 450 million years ago. It was like in the I don't know how to say it.
We shall we go that way, but not too close, yeah? Not too close to the things.
Okay, so down here, you're very lucky you're watching and not here, because there's a ton of rabbits. So we went
Look at
down
this.
here.
Careful there.
I know. Very scary.
Yeah.
So here is the crater up close. If you go down this little pathway, very scary. But you won't fall off because there's literally a fence that is blocking everything, so you won't fall off like
It's my very good little vlogger.
Now I'm a gamer. Oh, this place not well. So like down here, but it's just
Look,
a small area.
it's a private property, so we can't go closer to the things, guys. No.
Yeah,
you can see in the
and they
camera.
also put fences.
But not really clear. We are against the sun.
I can see it clearly, and I can see a puddle over there. I don't think. So there's a little,
Little what? Little swimming pool.
no, a little puddle over there where it's not that level, and it looks like this is just a factory. It looks like. And this is
No, it's just a quarry, Tatar.
But over there looks like a factory.
Okay, come on.
Imagination.
Shall we go the next hill? Come on.
So it looks like
Come on.
it's just a road. So the next hill over there. Hope nothing kills us. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just being over dramatic, okay?
Okay, shall we go? Come on.
I think I remember what happened when we last went there. there's these bushes, and if you kick them or like kick them, there's like.
That was summertime, Julia.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was summertime.
It was in October.
Wait.
So this is a really muddy place, and not place. We're just gonna. Good thing I wore like was like things like the things that I forgot the name of it, like the proper name. I don't want to call them bunny things.
It's a look.
And my dad's really unlucky. Okay guys, so we went in there. It's not really comfortable. Something's happening. We're just gonna carry on going.
Look at this.
My dad's shoes are getting ruined.
Look at this.
This is so muddy. Luckily I'm wearing
Just walk in the side.
Luckily I'm wearing Wellington boots, but it doesn't sound like okay, my boots are getting wet. I don't know why people want to go like this, but
Go on, get on.
very hard to walk now. Oh, Daddy, how unfortunate. Oh, God.
Careful.
Please. Oh, no. It's very strong for a little child. Oh my God, I hate this. Okay, I'm just gonna. I can't get up. I'm just gonna.
So look at this, guys, here on the side.
Okay guys, listen up. So I need you to do a favor. I need you to do a favor if you come here. So I need you to wear fun. I need you to wear wellies because like look how bad this is.
Yeah.
My dad, she's like wait, Daddy, let me do a program there. Daddy, going this way?
Yep. Go that way.
I'm going this way.
I got pricing. Wasn't George looking at that before she went off on?
We got another one. Wait, let me go first. Yeah.
Like and subscribe
Come on.
to Funny Secret so I can get over here.
Careful.
Like and subscribe so I can get over. Okay. Daddy, look.
What's that?
Mushroom.
Oh, it's a mushroom. Oh yeah. No,
Bright
it's a
brown. I wanted to climb this tree and sort of
Get in.
I can't get up. These holes won't work. My heel's starting to hurt, Daddy.
Come on. There we go. We're almost there on the top. Come on. Yeah. Yeah.
flying his drone, and if he lands it, it might fall into there, and I don't want that to happen.
Yeah.
So,
Come on then. This way. Carry on. It's home time. I'm really hungry now.